O'er the ramparts we watched.
What's up, y'all? I am Jaren. I am a voice teacher, speech trainer, and the founder and owner of this Blessed by the Best studio, the Jaren M. LaGuerre studio. As soon as I saw this video, I said, oh, an analysis needs to be done. So we're going to do it right now because she's been killing it lately, but she's really been killing it all this time, you know, honestly. So there's no surprise that she's still killing it to this day. But anyway, I'm going to get quiet to get to the good stuff. Here is my own voice analysis of Fantasia singing the national anthem at the 2024 CFB National Championship.
Fantasia Barrino Taylor.
Can you see by the dawn's early light?
One thing I love about what she's doing here is the spaces she's taking. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light? So she's really taking space and time in between each phrase. I know it's going to be like two phrases right now, but you can already hear that she's really taking her time and really settling in to the song itself. And that super clear T on light, by the dawn's early light. It was clear as a bell. And a little scoop on the light right there.
Which so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars.
I also enjoy the fact that she is letting the melody speak for itself. You know, this song is not easy to sing. I say this every time I analyze the national anthem because I want people to understand that this song is not easy to sing. It's crazy how many jumps and octaves and intervals the singer has to take to sing this song. And so picking the correct key is essential for singing this song. And she picked a great key, which I would have never doubted she wouldn't. Whatever key she want to sing in, she gonna be fine. But she picked a great key where she can kind of sit and settle in the song, but still have the room to go up a little bit, you know? So this key gives her a little wiggle room to really sing the song the way she wants to versus starting super high and then you gotta crank it up at the end, or starting super low and trying to find your way up, or trying to find your way through the song because it's too low. I think this is a nice key for her where it's kind of like right in the middle of the road for her, but she can still go up and kind of show off the high stuff, but still stay chill and captivate the audience in the song.
Through the perilous fight, o'er the ramparts we watched.
And you can hear right here, she's starting to build up a little bit more. The voice starting to get a little more beefy, a little more thicker, you know, when she's singing right here. So she's giving us a climactic climb even now. You can hear it. It's very slight, but there's definitely some climactic movement going on, and she's increasing the energy and the intensity and the volume and the thickness of her voice, even right here in this part.
Was so gallantly streaming in the Rockies like
glare. So she got really bright and spread. I know we can't see her, but you can definitely hear it. And the rockets red glare. Instead of glare, it's glare, glare. So she replaced the R with more of like a diphthong. Glare, glare. Instead of glare. Singing the R sound that high is a little bit difficult. You can do it, but it's difficult and it can be weird for some people. So she replaced the R sound of glare with more of a glare, glare. So she opened up the vowel a little bit, kind of added a diphthong to the word glare. Instead of glare, it was glare, glare.
the bombs bursting in air.
Air. And so there she had a vocal throw right there. Air. Right there instead of air or air. She took the R off again, made it more of like an open vowel, a little diphthong, air, and threw the voice right there. Air.
Gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star spangled.
So right here, she changed the tempo and the pacing. Oh, say does that star spangled. So she's kind of driving it more here, kind of like a march. Oh, say does that star spangled. But you see what I'm saying? Versus gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Before it was more of like a improv sweep to her pacing, if you would. Just kind of, I'm singing what I want to sing, kind of pacing it the way I want to, with all the breath markings that I want. But here, oh, say does that star. So a little bit more of a march, a little bit more of a concrete tempo right here. Then she slows down, banner yet wave. Banner yet wave. A little cadenza, if you will, right there.
For the land of the free and the home.
So she blended land of the free and the home. Instead of land of the free and the home, she blended or connected that whole phrase. Or the land of the free and the home. So it's all kind of like one big word, if you will. Though it's not one big word, she blended all of those words together, all those syllables together, instead of breaking it at free, which some people will do. But she chose to keep it connected. Cool.
Of the brave.
Kind of opened up the brave V sound until brave had a little schwa, a little neutralized vowel at the end right there. Yeah. And you can hear on that run right there, brave, whatever that run was right there. I like that. She added a little grit to it, added a tiny bit of grit and compression in there, but beautiful vocals, beautiful vocals. If you enjoyed this analysis, click subscribe down below to click the alert button next to it so you know when the next video is posted, and please give this a like if you enjoyed it as well. And as I will always say to you, be vocally bold, creative, and aware, but most of all, be vocally you. I love y'all so much, and I'll see y'all soon.